Good morning, students. Have a nice day. In the last lecture, we have seen positive work, negative work, and zero work, and how this work is calculated. These points we will see in this lecture. Hmm. In the last lecture, we have seen a girl pulls a toy with the help of string and she applies a force. Force and displacement are in the opposite direction. In the third example, both are force and displacement are in the opposite direction. Let consider F be the force applied and F1 be the component. F1 be the component means toy is a component or a motor car is a component. Then amount of work done is calculated by the formula W equal to F1 S. W equal to F1 S, and this is the first equation. F is the applied force, F1 is the component, and formula of work is F1 S. This is a component means toy, and this is a string, and force is applied from this direction and displacement is in this direction. When we join these 2 points, we join these 2 points, then we give a right angle, and here this string makes an angle, that angle is theta. This is a right angle triangle. F is the hypotenuse, F1 is the base. Formula of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base means F1 and hypotenuse means F. We put these values in this formula. When F going to this side, then formula becomes F1 equal to F into cos theta. When this value of F1 we have put in the equation 1, then formula of work becomes W equal to F cos theta into S, means work is equal to Fs cos theta. See, this is the formula of work, W equal to Fs cos theta, and here a table is given. When values of cos theta will be changes, then conclusion means amount of work done is changes. How this work done is changes or calculated work is changes, we have seen. When theta means this angle theta, when angle of theta is 0, then value of cos theta is 1. Our formula is W equal to Fs cos theta. We have put this value 0 in the cos theta. Then W is equal to Fs cos 0. W is equal to Fs into 1, cos 0 is 1, and then W is equal to Fs. When work done is positive, then we have say that positive work is done. When the value of theta is 90 degree, then cos theta is equal to 0. W is equal to Fs cos theta, then W is equal to Fs cos 90 degree. Here value of theta we give 90 degree. Then W is equal to Fs into 0 because of cos 90 is 0. When we have multiplied 0, then value becomes 0. म्हणजे शून्याने कशाला जरी आपण गुणलं तरी त्याची व्हॅल्यू शून्यच येत असते. When W is equal to 0 means work is 0, then 0 work done. If value of theta is 180 degree, then cos 180 degree is minus 1. Value of cos 180 degree is minus 1. We put this value in formula of work. W is equal to Fs cos 180 degree. 180 degree is minus 1. Then when we multiply minus 1 to Fs, it becomes minus Fs, means work become negative. Means here negative work is done. See in the table. Conclusion: when this is a sign positive, then positive work is done. When 0 work is done, and when this is negative, negative work is done. This point I have explained in this manner. Next point we have seen in the next lecture. Goodbye.